It's starting to landslide. Starting to landslide right now. Hey! That is the craziest thing I have ever seen in my life. Wow. Not gonna lie, my heart's racing. Thought I was going with it. Wow. Oh, my legs are shaking. Oh, it's not a derailment, but it looks like I got overtime hours for next pay. Oh my God, my legs are shaking. We just saved a couple lives, I think, being here just by chance. Good job, Tommy Miller. Fully up, boys, eh? And pull through again. Well, my crew's on that side, and I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed walking over this track right now. I think it's 3:12. Tires are starting to drop there. I can feel the tires moving underneath me, so I guess I'm going to move.